مخروط معنا.
South African football has been plunged into mourning following reports that Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jaden Adams has passed away at the age of 25. The tragic news was first reported by Soka Laduma, which said Adams' representatives and guardian had confirmed his passing. However, further details surrounding the circumstances of his death have not yet been made public. Others are speculating that he has committed a suicide. Adams' mentor, Brandon Johnson, confirmed the devastating news while appealing for privacy for the grieving family, and said at this point things are still raw. The family wouldn't want to be contacted right now. They wouldn't be able to answer anyone. This passing has ripped everybody apart. We had just returned from the World Cup, and then this happened. I had a close conversation with him on Thursday. He was in good spirits and excited about returning after the World Cup. He had become a CAF champion and was looking forward to what lay ahead. He always valued spending time with his family. At this moment, I don't even have words, but we ask that the family's privacy be respected. Yes, I can confirm that he has passed on. Nobody expected this. If confirmed by the relevant authorities and his club, Adams' death will come only days after he played a key role in Bafana Bafana's historic FIFA World Cup campaign, helping South Africa become the first team from the country to reach the tournament's knockout stages. The heartbreaking reports come after Adams had already enjoyed personal tragedy during the World Cup. While representing South Africa in the United States, he learned that his grandmother had passed away just hours before Bafana Bafana's Group A clash against Seizure in Atlanta on June 18. Former Bafana Bafana captain Dr. Khumalo later revealed that despite the devastating news, Adams chose to honor his national team commitment and took it to the field in a courageous display of professionalism. South Korea recovered to end a crucial 1-1 draw against Seizure, with Tebogo Mokoena converting a late penalty to keep Bafana Bafana's World Cup hopes alive. That result paved the way for a decisive final group stage victory over South Korea, as South Africa stunned the football world by advancing to the round of 32 for the first time in the nation's history, where they faced co-host Canada. Khumalo praised Adams for his mental strength and commitment, describing his performances during the tournament as a testament to his character despite the immense personal grief he was carrying. Adams' reported passing has sent shockwaves through South African football, with tributes pouring in from teammates, clubs, supporters, and the wider football community as they remember one of the country's brightest talent. May his soul rest in peace, sending love and prayers to his family and friends. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.